Here we have the current stock market update for the week 28 members only high profit trading strategy. The stock that we were looking at that week was Editas Medicine. The stock ticker for this trade was EDIT. So what we're going to be doing in this short video is to just sort of go over number one, go over the fact that the trade is closed. And this just recently happened. The trade actually closed itself. The profit target was reached. This would have been the Wednesday trading session, February 19. So that would be this area here. As we can see, the high print here was exactly the profit target that we had constructed for this trade, which came in at $3.30. And overall, the trade did close quite quickly because we entered into the position on February 3rd. The stock was trading, the entry point here was $1.25. This area was filled because, as we can see, we did see a slight drawdown. The actual price low here came in at 113. So we have 12 cents in drawdown. And then as we can see higher, about 16 days after we entered into the position, and obviously not all of those days are trading days, but as we can see, the stock just completely rockets higher here. I mean, this is just a grand slam home run type of trade. It's not the type of trade that most people ever see in their entire life because it was a very short period of time and just a massive gain. The overall gains here, 125 to $3.30 is roughly 164% in a total of 16 days. So with only 12 cents drawdown, I mean, that's just, you can't time the market any better than that. And as we can see, the profit target here was reached to the penny. And that's another major point here because as we can see, the stock did wind up retracing it's roughly 2/3 of that move. So roughly 65% of this movement to the top side was quickly retraced. So this is another reason that it is important to be a member of the trading room because if you're a member of the YouTube channel, that's okay, that's fine, but you're not able to receive the same type of real-time messaging that we have in the trading room, and we were able to have the discussion about this rally as it was happening. So it's very easy for me to send messages in that trading room, and that's one of the reasons it's so good. I understand a lot of people don't want to join Discord. I can understand that to some extent. However, that really is the best venue for real-time communication. So anybody that didn't have these specific price parameters in place, I mean, this was outlined in the original trading video. I am just a bit worried that some people did not close the trade in time because as we can see, the reversal here was massive. We did call the exact top. So it is, this could have been a fortunate situation for people that did take this trade. But if these specific take profit parameters were not in place, there could have been a substantial, loss here relatively quickly. So, being able to call the top like this on a trade is incredibly difficult in really any stock, especially over a very short time frame like this. But when we're dealing with a small cap biotech stock, I mean, this is one of the most volatile asset classes in the entire market. I mean, if you're trading like meme coins or something like that, some of these small cryptocurrencies, maybe those are more volatile, but biotech in general is more volatile than the broader market. And small cap biotech stocks are the most volatile class in that group. So being able to nail the top like this, incredibly difficult. I mean, it's not something that most people can really ever do in their life. This was just an incredibly precise trade, and it did result in gains of 164% in 16 days. So it's also important to remember that these are straight stock prices. This is not an options trade. For example, if you did enter into an options trade around these levels when we began the trade, you could have turned that into a gain of over 1,000% easily, depending on the scenario. So, these are just incredible gains. I think that someone in the Discord trading room made over $5,000 on this trade. That's great. Excellent. Congratulations. That does really make me very happy to hear that. When people make money with these trades, I really do feel like I accomplished something. It's a great feeling for me as well. So congratulations to everybody that managed to get into this trade. It was an incredible performance here. We will have more of these. We do have these, fairly regularly. Of course, a performance like this cannot be expected every single time, but we do see these types of situations fairly regularly. And I can say very confidently that there is nobody else on this platform that sees these types of performances. A gain of 164% with 12 cents drawdown in 16 total days. Not even all of those days are trading days. These types of results are almost unheard of, and we do experience these trades, quite often. So again, I do recommend that everybody at least considers joining the trading room because this is the best way to receive real-time communication and to make sure that everybody is in and out of these trades at the right time. We discuss a lot of additional trades as well, and the overall membership fee is definitely designed to pay for itself. So like, for example, the trader that made over $5,000 in this trade, we can definitely say that in this one trade alone, he did make enough money to pay for the Discord membership for about 20 years, which is an extremely long period of time. Overall, the Discord membership is the cheapest way of receiving all of these trading signals and all of the updates as they occur in real time. And as we said, the membership is designed to pay for itself. So congratulations to everybody that got into this trade. Great performance, perfectly executed positioning, terrific gains, and I do look forward to the next one.